Hello, 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 my Tran family. I am very excited to be here today because today I have for you the MayPaperCo bi-monthly leftover sub box. So you're probably wondering, what are you talking about? If you're not familiar with MayPaperCo, they have a bi-monthly sub box. And they also have a bi-monthly leftover sub box, which means you can do it as a one-time purchase or you can do it as a reoccurring bi-monthly purchase. But it's all of the stuff that they are selling in their normal bi-monthly sub, that's leftover stuff. So I really wanted was the bi-monthly sub box. I'm not going to lie. I wanted to try a one-off of it, and if I liked it, I would order it some more because this is coming from Australia, so it did take a little while. So I wanted to make sure I really liked it before I jumped in to purchase it. So without further ado, we're going to jump on in. There was no other option. They didn't have the sub box, so I decided to go with the extras or leftover sub box. It's literally called the leftovers. So right when we open it up, we've got a little journaling card that says Merci. So cute. I love it. And when you turn it around, her name is May, and she says, "Thank you for your order, Jessica. Enjoy." Little heart and May. So cute. And I'm actually going to keep this and just use it as a dashboard. This is really pretty. Like on a dashboard. Then we have a little to-do. I think these are all freebies. A little to-do postcard, and you have like little check boxes. This is really cute. I like that. And then it says, "Be afraid and do it anyway." I love that. Sometimes you just need to know that it's okay to be afraid. That doesn't mean you're weak or anything less than. And this says, "We rise by lifting up others." This is, yes, I love that. Oh, and if you turn it around, it's what's inside of this box. Again, this is the leftover box. I'm going to keep it here. Just so I can reference it when we're opening this up. So I've already snuck a peek. I couldn't wait. I came home late from work. It was a long day. I needed to jump right into this box. It was waiting on the counter for me. Woo! Okay, it is stuffed with goodies. We've got quite a bit in here. Let's start with this big guy right here. And it is quite big. So this is the MayPaperCo. What is this? It's definitely a sticky note. I believe this is the lined sticky note. Oh, this is a lined half sheet where half of it's the gray and half of it's the lined with that beautiful blush pink. You get quite a bit in here. So let's go ahead and open this up because I am wanting to play with this. I didn't actually open anything and feel it. I just opened the box because I needed that. All right, so, wow, you get quite a bit in here. Look at this. You get a lot in this. It's quite large, bigger than my hand, and you get enough space on both of these. So this is really nice. I like this because what I like to do at work is I have my planner. I look at my planner and I look at any new meetings that might have been added overnight or the late evening where I didn't catch it. Maybe I was busy at home doing things I didn't catch it. And I like to write out my whole day by the hour. It's just my thing. It doesn't always go that way, but it allows me to be the most productive possible. And usually I grab another sticky note for all of the phone calls, problem resolutions, and things that I have to do. So I can actually use that on this side. So this is really, really nice. I love it. Then we have the lined sticky note. So this has got that really pretty kind of, it's a cross between marbling and looking like the paper got crumpled and then opened back up again. It's really pretty. The colors are soft and gorgeous. I love it. Let's open this baby up. Sorry if you don't like opening noises. I can't help it. And this is another one where you get a lot of bang for your buck. Like, seriously, I didn't tell you this, but these feel amazing. I cannot wait to write on them. I like that the memo is not stark. It's not like a really dark black color. It's almost like a gray black, almost like a brown black. If you look at my nail against it, it's looking more brown, like a brown black, and it's really pretty. It feels amazing. I can't wait to use this. Ooh, We have so many goodies. Okay. Then we have a lot of different mini normal sized sticky notes. So this is the so I called this guy the lined sticky note, but this may be the lined sticky note. This is this half sheet. We may get back to this. I don't see this on here, so I don't know. But this is also a lined sticky note in gray. This box is great. This is the leftover box. I'm happy. I love this. I love that you can put a title up here, which is pretty awesome. And then you can go ahead down here and just take notes. Again, you get quite a bit in here. It feels spectacular. It feels so soft. I really love this. Then we have a grid sticky note, and I don't have any grid sticky notes. So I am beyond excited about this. Beyond. Like, seriously. Same great feel of paper. It's kind of like a taupey gray, a very light gray with the white grid lines. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Again, so much. I love that. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed with it. Okay. Then we have Memo note cards. There's 12 in a pack. Let's go ahead and open them up. I don't want to rip this one because I'm probably going to have to put them back in here to store them unless I put them somewhere else. But, oh, they feel like butter. Okay. So same kind of to do as this one. Same format in that light kind of browny, blacky gray color. Same as in the same kind of as the Merci. So I really love it. You get 12 of these. They feel spectacular when you turn them around. You can take notes on these and you can just house notes. How cute is this? Oh, I can't wait to use it in my planner. Love it. Sometimes I love them so much I don't want to use them in my planner. That's just between us friends. The next thing we have here is the weekly edit. And this is an A6 weekly agenda notepad. Very nice. Alrighty. So very nice. That same beautiful crushed. I love it. You've got your months up there. You've got your month days of the week, and then you can add a number up here if you want, or you don't have to. And you've got like a little checklist. This is really nice. Just a really nice overview of the week that I can put in my planner of some really important goals. I like to set goals for each day, like a goal for each day, one major one. And I can just set one major goal for each day on here and then write notes about that goal and keep it in my planner. It's awesome. Then we have these really pretty transparent teeny tiny dots. I love these little transparent functional dots. I use them in my planner, especially in my work notebook, I should say. So we get 2 of these. So they are glossy. They're not matte. I wish they were matte. I really prefer matte, but not a big deal. I love the color. I love the gray color. And you get 2 sheets. So that's really awesome. Then we get the lined. Okay, so this is the lined half sheet. I told them I have an A5 planner. This definitely looks like an A5 size. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect for my A5. I'm not in it yet, but I'm going to move out of my EC into it. And let's feel. Sorry, that was probably loud. Oh, I thought it was a notepad. Oh, these feel amazing. They're the same style as these sticky notes. Let me just grab them real quick to show you. Oh, I love them. The color is not varying at all. It looks like it varies on camera, but it's not varying at all. I love it. They're double-sided and they feel phenomenal. Oh my God, I love these. I love these so much. Oh, I love them. Okay. Then we have an icon sticker insert, again, in your A5 format. This is really nice. Let's see if you get one or two. One is great. Two would be like, wow, okay. We get one, not bad. We get one, and I like you get a lot in one, though. They're repeating stickers. So you get your $, your stethoscope, piggy bank, card, payday, bill to, airplane, birthday, gym, mail, credit card. You could use that for a lot of things. Bills, heart, birthday balloons, telephone, food, coffee. I always say coffee, groceries, and a star. So these are really, really nice. Definitely going to put that in my planner. This paper feels awesome, and this is matte, and I love matte. Yay. I did not see this. Obviously, I didn't look hard enough. So they asked me for my name, and I gave it to them. Oh my God. What? Oh, I haven't had anything customized yet. I get cloth and paper, if you haven't seen my videos. And they asked for your name as well, and I've been waiting for something customized. Oh my God. You've got this dashboard to go behind it. Let me move this back a little bit. You have this dashboard to go behind it. The gray and the white, yes. And then you have the clear dashboard with my name on it. Okay. I'm so excited. I know I'm kind of freaking out, y'all, but this is beautiful. Oh, yeah. I like this a lot. Okay. I'm super excited. And all it says is acetate dashboard. So, and the back, this dashboard back here, there's no other dashboard in here. So they throw in this dashboard with the acetate. How awesome is that? What? I'm telling you, I'll love this box. And we have the lined inserts that go with the half sheet. How amazing is that? Wowzers. Wowzers. These are beautiful. Let's open it. Let's feel it. Because I'm sure it feels like everything else, but I need to feel things. You see, I'm not ripping these because I don't want to. I want to put them back neatly. Oh, that feels amazing. You guys like my nails? They're press-ons by All Dashing. Just throwing that out there. These feel amazing. Oh my God. I love it. I love it so much. And we're not even done. We have one more piece of item in here. We have a midliner. I love midliners. I have some right over here to my right. And this is, you've got the bold side of the midliner. And then you have the fine side of the midliner. And I really enjoy using midliners. I took out a notebook specifically for this because I saw the midliner hiding in the bottom. How I missed the acetate is beyond, I think I just like peeked and looked. So let's see. Ooh, yes, I love it. This writes amazingly well. That's the bold side. Then let's do the fine side. Very nice. I love it. So in total, we should have 10 items. I still think I have more than 10. Let's see. We've got, I'll put it back in the box for now. 1. Everything's so beautiful. 2. In my book, any other company would count these as 2 separate items. So 3, 4. I'm going to be fair and do what I think is right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now, I would like to say that I don't remember if I bought anything else, but in my book, there's 13 items in this box. It should come with 10. I don't remember buying 3 other items. I could have bought something separately, like this doesn't match the set, so I could have very well bought something separate, like this. Everything else matches. This is the only thing that's not on here, so it's got to be this. Everything else is on here, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love everything. This was an amazing box. Plus, you got your freebies, your to-do. Let me turn this around. Like that. Your journaling card here, and your other journaling card there. So, wow, what a nice box. This was an amazing box. I'm impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit the subscribe button down below, like this video, be part of the Tran fam, and watch more unboxings like these. I definitely plan on getting more of these for sure. The quality is phenomenal. I don't care if I have to wait a couple of extra weeks for it to get to the United States. This quality is out of here. Amazing. All right, guys. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.